So hello guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video we are going to see how to print characters pattern. Okay, so this type of pattern, how to print it. So let's start. So to print this type of pattern, we have to use nested for loops only. In previous video we have printed inverted star pattern, that we have also used the nested for loops only. So I will give the link in the description box, so go and check it out. The outer loop prints the rows, number of rows, and the inner loop prints the um, characters basically in this pattern. Okay, so let's start. Outer loop, what it will print? It will print number of rows. uh, how many number of rows are there? 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so n is equal to 4. Okay, in inner loop, it prints the characters one by one. Okay, it will print the character, means we have to initialize another variable character by a, and after the initialization of a character a, um, the characters gets updated after the character has been printed. The character gets updated. Okay, so this will done by the inner loop. Okay, so I have written a pseudocode for it to print the characters pattern. So this is the pseudocode for the characters pattern. I have initialized an variable, and I have given the value as 4, and I have created a character and ch, and I have initialized a there. Okay, now I have run here a nested for loops. Okay, this is outer for loop and this is inner for loop. In outer for loop, it will print 0 basically from 1 to n, and is here 4. Okay, this integer variable 4, and inner loop will prints from j is equal to 1 to j is less than or equal to a line. So for this logic, what is the logic behind the to print the j is less than or equal to line only? So let's see that. Okay, as we come here, uh, the line is 1 here. Okay, what will be the character, how many characters we have to print? J means how many characters we have to print. So we have to print one character only, means character. Okay, now after the in second line, line 2, how many characters we have to print? We have to print um, two characters here, b and c. In line 3, how many characters we have to print? We have to print 3 characters. In line 4, we have to print 4 characters. Okay, relation between line and the character will be, inner loop relation will be for j to j less than or equal to line. Okay, we have to print the characters. So this is the logic behind the um, this line, inner loop line. Okay, checks the condition before printing this character. If the condition is true, then it will print the character. After we print the character, we have to update the characters. Okay, after updating it will become B, C, like this. Okay, and this is for next line. The compiler will go to next line from here. Okay, so let's dry run this code now. I'm writing a output of for this. Okay, output of the code. Okay, I've initialized two variables, n and character. Okay, then outer loop starts. Line 1 is equal to, line should be less than or equal to n. Okay, line is 1. Okay, here condition it will checks. Okay, line should less than or equal to n means 1 should less than or equal to n means here 4. Okay, the condition is here true, then it will enter into the inner loop. Okay, now j is equal to 1 here. Okay, j should less than or equal to line means line's value is here 1, j is equal to line, so it is, the condition is true, then it will print a character. Okay, means a, it will be printed. Okay, then the compiler will go to next line. This compiler will come here. Okay, now j's values get updated. Okay, now j's value has become 2. Okay, now it will check the condition, is 1 is less than or equal to 2. Okay, here the condition will false, in inner loop will get terminated. Now it will update the outer loop, that means line, so line gets updated by 2 here. Okay, j will be terminated. Entering in the inner loop, j will be updated by 1 only. Okay, now we'll check the condition, is j is less than or equal to line. Yes, the condition will be true. Okay, then it will print the character. Yeah. Okay, now character has been updated and now character is B. Okay, B will be printed and characters values updated by, I am creating here characters also. First there was A, after printing A, the character has become B. After printing the B, the character is now C. Now j's values get updated. Now j's value has become 2 here. Okay, now it will check the condition, is 2 is less than or equal to 2, the condition will be true, then it will print the character C here. Okay, and update the character immediately. Now character will be D. Okay, and compiler will go to next line. J's value is now 3. Okay, now it will check the condition, is 3 is less than or equal to 2, the condition will be false, then inner loop get terminated here. Okay, inner loop gets terminated and here will be terminated. Now j value again initialized by 1 only. Now outer loop gets updated. Outer loop's value has become here 3. Okay. Now j is equal to 1. J should less than or equal to line. Means line's value is 3 now and j's value is 1. The condition will be true. Then it will print the character. Now the character has D. Okay. D will be printed and the character will be updated. Now character is E. Okay. J's value is 2. Okay. Is 2 is less than or equal to 3, the condition is true, then it will print the character. Current character is E. Then characters gets updated. Now character value is F. Okay. Now it will check and again the condition is 2 is less than or equal to 3, the condition is true. Then it will print the character. Okay. F and update the character G. Now current character is G. Okay. Now it will update the condition. Okay. Now J's values has become 4 here. Okay. Is 4 is less than or equal to 3? Here the condition will be false. The inner loop gets terminated here. Okay. Now J value again initialized by 1 only. Okay. After terminating the inner loop, J value again gets initialized by 1 only. Now outer loop gets updated. Outer loop's value is here 4 now. Okay. Now it will check the condition. Is 4 is less than or equal to 4? The condition will be true. Okay. It will enter into the inner loop. Then it will print. Then it will check the inner loop condition. Is 1 is less than or equal to line. 1 is less than or equal to 4. The condition will be true. Then it will print G, the character. Okay. And update the character. Character's value is now H. Okay. Now J's values get updated. J's value is 2 now. Okay. Now is 2 is less than or equal to 4, the condition will be true. Then it will print the character H and update the character. Now character's value is I. Okay. Now again J's values get updated. Now J's value has become here 3. Okay. Is 3 is less than or equal to 4, the condition will be true. Then it will print the character. Now character is I, current character, and it will update the character. Now character is J. Now J's value has been updated. Now J's value is 4 here. Okay. Is 4 is less than or equal to 4, the condition will be true. Then it will print the J's value and J's value has been updated. Value has been updated. J's value is 5 now. Okay. Now it will check is 5 is less than or equal to 4, the condition will be true. Inner loop gets terminated. Okay. Now outer loop will be updated. Outer loop's value has been become 5 here. Okay. Now it will check the condition is 5 is less than or equal to 4, the condition will be false. Outer loop also gets terminated here. Okay. Now we have get this output. Okay. As per our requirement. Okay. So let's see its demonstration. Now I'm creating a class called demo. and in that I'm creating a function, main function, and in that I'm creating an integer int I is equal to 4, and a character ch is equal to a. Then I'm running a loop int I is equal to 1, I should less than or equal to n, and I should be updated. And for nested and inner loop, basically int j is equal to 1, j should less than or equal to I, and j plus plus. Okay, and here I'm printing the character. Okay, and I'm updating the character. And this is for next line. Okay, so I've written the code. So let's see what gi- what it gives the output. So we have get this output same as we have dry run it. So thank you for watching this video.